So we've had the pool a little over 2 years now, and it's been great, and I don't regret the choice that I made in any way. So my name's Mike, and we're in Warwick, New York, in Orange County, and this is my pool. So once my wife and I decided that we were going to get a pool, I started doing research, and to be honest, the way I found Albert Landscaping Group was through YouTube. So I watched the videos, and I was really impressed with the fact that there was such a large number of customers who were really satisfied with the end result that they got. Plus the quality looked phenomenal from the videos. So I reached out to Jamie, and he got right back to me, and I think it was within a day or two we met face to face. So we had a lot of questions around this spool or a plunge pool, and we wanted to know Jamie's kind of opinion and experience with that. He shared it with us. He kind of explained all the advantages of owning a pool, how the installation process would work. We talked about, I had some very specific design requirements that I wanted to have, and like the catalogs and the designs, I felt they had a lot. In fact, before we picked this one, I think there was about 3 other designs that they had that we also really seriously entertained throughout the process. Found the whole process to be very flexible to the point where we kind of finalized on a configuration. We still had a lot of last-minute changes. He was able to take my vision and do a 3D rendering and then share that with me. We could look at it at different angles and with different configurations. Albert Landscaping Group took care of everything. They made sure all the paperwork was filed. They let us know when they would start. They showed up very neat, very organized. We were able to watch the process as it was going on. And I would say it was on schedule or ahead of schedule from what they originally had told me. And Albert Landscaping Group was very accommodating. The process of defining the materials, the scope of work was completely transparent. They'd make the adjustments. They'd let me know any changes to costs or time, as well as how we had to make payments on it while the installation was going on. And I feel very comfortable recommending them to any of my friends or family. Everyone loves it. The feedback has been fantastic. So much of our family and friends find excuses to come over the house and hang out with us at the pool, which has been great. So we have family get-togethers, birthdays, other holidays and events here. Pool, even though it is kind of on the smaller size, we fit all the kids in and the adults in. It's been plenty of room for that. It's been great to just kind of hang out and get cool, and everyone enjoys it. So we love the fiberglass. Super easy to clean, very smooth on the inside, so it never feels rough when you're swimming in it. One of the features that Jamie recommended was the ability to manage the pool from an app. So I have an app on my phone. Anytime if salt is low, I get a notification on it. If there's some other problem, it gives me a notification. I can even check the temperature of the pool, which has been great. Also, it seems to retain the heat really well. So we find that we're not having to heat the pool most of the year because it warms up during the day from the sun and then kind of retains that heat. We did talk to friends who had pools already. A lot of them didn't have fiberglass or had any experience with fiberglass. And due to the large size and the type of pools that they had, they were spending a lot of money to heat the pool. So their season for opening it was a lot smaller. They were getting, 2-3 months, especially up here in the Northeast. I'd say the first year that we had the pool open, we were heating it until December at minimal cost. Really took Albert Landscaping Group's recommendation, and very happy with leisure pools. It's high quality pool, lifetime warranty. We're very satisfied with it. I'd be happy to take any calls from anyone who's considering getting a pool from Albert Landscaping Group. It's a great company to work with, and very happy with my decision to get a pool from them.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.